Everything they say, I understand. So I can speak the language. Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be using some curling rods in my Microlocs, and I'm going to be showing y'all how I do it. Look at the hair. Look, I'm going to first start by splitting my hair into sections. These curling rods come in a whole bunch of different sizes, so I had to kind of lay them out to see what sizes I wanted to use first. But first I'm going to go with the red. Now, the red I think is going to give a looser curl, so I started with red in the back. I kind of wanted to have a tighter curl up in the front, so this was kind of my method that I thought would work best. So as you can see, I'm just repeating the process. I like to spray my microlocs first before I wrap them around the curling rods, and I just keep doing this. Now, these four in the back that you see that I sectioned, I did them all with the red, y'all. And I'm gonna switch it up here in a second because I really don't know how these rods are gonna, react to my microlocs. I have not used them on my locks. So I'm kind of just testing out what rods I think I like the best. So here you see me going in with the orange one. And I believe this one would be a more tighter curl than the red because, the red was a little bit bigger. And y'all, there are 6 different types of Flexirods in this set, and I really like that. I think you get a lot of variety, and there is actually a total of 42 in the pack. And man, you can just get all sorts of different types of curl patterns in here if you want. So we're going to be able to see what that looks like when we get to the end and I take the rods out. And of course, I will have this linked in the description if you would like to purchase this. This is on Amazon. And in case you're wondering why I'm spraying my hair first, I like my hair to have a little mist to it. I don't like to work with my locks when they're completely dry because I still think that it's like a plant, and if it's dry I feel like it'll be brittle. Just my thoughts on it. I could be completely wrong, but this is just what I do out of habit, and it works well for me. I don't have any issue with my locks feeling dry, so just continue to do it. And as y'all can see now, I'm on the yellow ones. Now I think the yellow ones were smaller than the orange. I'm pretty sure they were. And y'all, these rods aren't doing any sort of harm to my head. Like, I'm not getting too much tension or anything. They're not giving me a headache. They're actually really soft and really easy to bend. And whenever I'm done, I like to do that upward motion to secure it because I just kind of feel like it holds it in place better. You can also do it downward, but I just like to do mine upward. And yeah, I find it's really simple. This didn't take me very long at all to do. Alright, so you guys are about to see me using another purple one. I wanted to say the purple one definitely gives a tighter curl, which is why I put it where it is. I wanted some variety with the different shapes of curl. And as you can see, this is a pink one, clearly a lot bigger than the purple and the yellow one that I was using and the orange. So we're going to have some different curls going on here, but this is going to give us a lot of body. And I didn't realize it until just now that I didn't use any of the green ones, and I actually wanted to. The green is probably going to give a tighter curl as well, kind of like the purple one. So next time I do this, I will be sure to use the green one to be sure that I know how it looks. I'm pretty sure it will look kind of similar to how the purple one is going to turn out. The green rod to me looks smaller than the purple one, so I'm pretty sure it's going to give us a tighter curl. But here I am with the pink one. Now this is going to give us a little bigger curl here with some body. Here I am again with the red. And y'all, we are almost done. I literally only have one more rod to put in my hair. And this was really simple, really easy. It probably took me all of 20 minutes to section and put the rods in my hair. Alright, we finished in this part here with the purple, and I tried to kind of match what was on the other side so it looks even, and this is what it looks like when I'm done, y'all. Quick spin, boop, boop, boop. And y'all, I am ready for bed. It was about 10 o'clock at night. I think this is a real quick, easy style. You just throw in the night before you go to bed and wake up, take the rods out, and then you gotta look, because I definitely think it was worth it. I think it came out really good. But y'all, look at how neat I did that. Y'all can't forget to put on the bonnet before I go to bed. Alright, it's the next day and I'm back, and y'all look, my hair don't even look frizzy. Like, look at that. It looks really, really, really crisp in my opinion. I think the rods helped a lot with the frizziness when I went to sleep. But y'all, this is what the red was looking like. And I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't really feeling the red. As you can see, my response was just like, I didn't like it. It was just too loose. But I was like, maybe it'll get better. So that's why we did it this way. Because if I would have did them all with the red, I would have been mad. Because the orange came out fire. Look at it. I was happy with the orange. Look at the curl. And I'm like, okay, we doing something here. So now we're going to just keep on going. And as we get to the top of my head, the curls are going to start to get tighter, y'all. And I really was happy that I did it this way because I did not want very loose curls in the front, so this worked out perfectly, y'all. Another thing I want to mention is that I had no problem sleeping with these rods in my hair last night. They were so soft. I woke up this morning to get in the shower and I totally forgot that I even had them in my hair until I took my bonnet off. I was like, oh yeah, I got these in my hair. I mean, it's really a win-win, you know, it being comfortable and also giving me a nice style in the morning. I was really impressed with how it worked. And I'm loving the variation of the different curls. As you can see, like the yellow one is giving me a little bit more body. The purple one is probably my favorite, and maybe the orange after that. I think I just like the tighter curl, which is why I'm kind of mad I didn't use the green. So y'all comment down below, what type of curl do you guys prefer? Do you guys like a tighter curl or a more looser curl if you have locks? Or if you just have regular hair, what type of curl do y'all like when you're using Flexirods or just doing barrel curls or however you're curling your hair? And I wanted to say the thought actually did cross my mind to try this with mousse, but y'all, I am so scared. Like, I'm scared of like buildup or anything like that in my microlocs, so I don't know if that's something I should try, because you know when you do mousse in curling rods, it comes out really good. But y'all, I missed one in the back. Let me go back and let me get that real quick. But yeah, so this is it. This is everything, y'all, and this is what it looks like. I haven't separated anything yet, because I wanted to just kind of show what it looks like without me doing any fluffing, and y'all are about to see a true transformation here in a second, because I couldn't believe how much volume I got once I started separating and fluffing everything out to my liking. And just off of this, I was already impressed, because it's only going to get better as I keep separating. So y'all, I'm starting with the back, and what I'm just doing is pulling it apart, and then I started kind of just running my hands through it, because I was like, if I keep pulling it apart, I'm gonna be here all day. So I was just like, let me just put my hands through it, kind of like I'm you know, kind of combing it through with my hands. And y'all, I started seeing the volume, and I started smiling. I was like, oh, there it is. So I just kept doing that, and I'm just be playing in my hair here for a minute until I get the volume and kind of the look that I'm going for, because y'all know I love me some big hair. Y'all know I love some big defined curls too. And I didn't look in the mirror and got distracted, got excited looking in my hair and forgot that I gotta do the other side, so I'm over here showing y'all. But look at this one side that I did. I think that it looks so nice. I ain't even did the other side yet, but here we go. So what I would say is, the more that you kind of put your hands through your hair and kind of rake it through, the bigger the hair is going to get, from what I see. If you don't really want that, I recommend not pulling them apart so much, because your hair is going to get bigger, especially with these curls. And especially, I think if you did like a tighter curl, I think you get a whole bunch of volume. I really want to do that one day with really small curling rods, because I just know the volume will be out of this world with smaller curling rods throughout the whole head. Like, I can only imagine. But y'all, this is coming out so cute, and I'm just in love with how it looks. And I'm just, you know, still gonna have to play with it some more, but y'all, I'm about finished raking my hands through it, and I just love the way that the curls at the ends look. I love the body that I'm getting, and I love that my hair looks big. All right, y'all, we are not done yet. I actually wanted to show y'all, this is what the hair looks like from each kind of style. Like, this is a middle part, and I just love the definition, love the fullness in the body. And y'all comment down below, tell me which style y'all like the most. Now look at the ringlets there. Oh, look at the curl come through with the curl. Definitely got to try this again, y'all. All right, y'all, look at the side part. Look at the body with the side part. Y'all know I love me a nice side part, but y'all was not expecting this. Look at the hair drop. Look at the ooh. And y'all, I have to do this next one for everybody on TikTok that was coming from my head, because I said, what y'all think about me cutting my locks into a bang? This one came out cute. And y'all, look at this kind of comb over look. These are the looks, y'all. Let me know down below, what do you think? And thank you guys for watching. Bye.